Stay tuned for this video because I have information on how to restore, re-moisturize the epidermis for a more younger and youthful look. I'll see you in a few minutes, my friends. Hello my lovely friends on YouTube, Clarissa here. I am back with another video. For the ones who don't know me, my name is Clarissa. I help patients to keep the youthful looks through anti-aging dermatology and natural prevention medicine. I'm here to fight against aging, to bring you the latest information about anti-aging, and so stay tuned for more videos are coming up. And I send a hug to all the beautiful people that had commented my video. Thank you so much for taking your time. And this video is about how to restore, re-moisturize the epidermis of your skin so you can look more youthful and more restored and younger than your natural age. And so we're going to be talking about this unique oil that is called Andisonia digitata, which is the BAOBAB oil. And this oil, this is the container, but let me talk about the oil first. This oil comes from Botswana, South Africa, Australia, and Zambia. And it is a tree that has a really thick trunk, and the branches look like roots. So it's called the upside down tree. And what they do is they extract the oil from the seeds of the fruit, cold press. So it's very important that you find the oil that has been extracted cold press, the BAOBAB oil. And because they use, you know, the other technique with the heat to extract the oil, and that's no good because all the nutrients are being destroyed. BAOBAB oil has a good source of oleic acid, linolenic acid, and linoleic acid. And this oil, BAOBAB oil, helps to regenerate the skin. It helps with the elasticity of the skin. It helps to re-moisturize a very aging epidermis. It helps with very, very dry skin. It helps to regenerate epithelial tissue of the skin. This oil, it is so good to restore the epidermis for achieving a more youthful look, and very easily absorb into the skin, very easily. I had used in different forms. I had used formulas, I should say, the oil by itself, and from different companies, but I just found this at the health food store, which is the company Shea, Terra, and it does have the Andisonia digitata, which is the BAOBAB oil, and it has together with shea butter, which is the USDA organic certified shea butter with the BAOBAB oil, and it is like a paste, very super hydrating. If you use it at night time, it will be very good for you to plump up the skin, to soften the epidermis, to restore the epidermis, to restore your skin. And so now this company, like I said, is called Shea Terra, and it's called Bananas and Monkey Bread. It is a formula that is for treating the skin of a baby, but it has large amounts of the baobab oil. I just love the texture. I love how it feels on my skin. You could use it in your hair as well. And so I wanted to mention about this oil for the girls that cannot afford expensive products to be able to restore your skin. So so when you go to the health food store, this will be Shea, Terra, bananas, a monkey bread, baby butter product. So it looks like this. Did I show you? It is completely white, and the smell is bananas. So if I have the link of Shea Terra company, I will put it, but you could find it at any health food store, especially Whole Foods. And so this is a short video for you guys to go and get this oil, because it's not expensive. You could use the oil by itself as well. Go to Amazon's, they might have it, but make sure it's cold pressed and organic to receive you know, the ultimate benefits, for your skin to receive the ultimate benefits of restoration. So I will see you in the next video, and stay tuned for more videos, my sweet friends, and share the video, thumbs up, and I send you my love, and God bless you, and stay gorgeous and beautiful and healthy, okay? Don't lose courage, okay, my friends? Keep taking care of yourself, okay? Bye-bye.